Conviction reinstated in a close ruling. Maryland's highest court decides Adnan Syed will not get a new trial. What this latest decision means for the convicted killer going forward. Hello, everybody. I'm Mary Bubala. In a split 4-3 decision, the Maryland Court of Appeals denies a new trial for Adnan Syed. He gained national attention after his case was the subject of the popular podcast Serial. And WJZ is live outside Circuit Court right now. Paul Gessler reports on why Maryland's highest court rejected the new trial. Paul?
Good evening, Mary. The last time most of us saw Adnan Syed was 2016. He was walking out of this door at Circuit Court behind these bars. He had just been granted a new trial. Well, it appears now after this ruling from the Maryland Court of Appeals, there will not be a new trial after a ruling today. Adnan Syed will remain in prison following Friday's opinion from the state's highest court. The Maryland Court of Appeals voted to reinstate Syed's conviction. Syed was convicted in 2000 in the murder of his high school ex-girlfriend, Min Lee. He is serving a life sentence in her murder, but his case was highlighted in 2014 in the podcast Serial, raising concerns about cell phone tower data and an alibi witness never called to testify.
It's such BS.
Syed's attorneys hoped his alibi, Woodlawn High School classmate Asia McClain, could spark a new trial. She says she saw Syed in the library the day of the murder, which conflicts with the state's timeline. The Court of Appeals acknowledged Friday Syed's counsel was deficient, but that Syed had waived his claim of ineffectual counsel.
You acknowledge the fact that it wasn't done by the book and that she was wrong for not contacted me, but then to say that you don't think it would make a difference makes no sense. It makes no sense to me.
Adnan's attorney, Justin Brown, tweeted he spoke with Syed late Friday night and they won't give up on the case.
Mr. Syed's witness will likely never get to testify on his behalf, and that's really a shame.
Legal expert Brandon Meade says the court did not think McClain's testimony would have changed the guilty outcome.
It's almost looking into a crystal ball to see what the outcome would have been had that witness been interviewed and been presented.
Assistant Attorney General Thiru Vignarajah said in a statement Friday, Syed's conviction was just and supported by overwhelming evidence. He went on to say they hope the decision brings a degree of closure for the Lee family. Back live now here in downtown Baltimore. Today's ruling comes just days before an HBO docuseries titled The Case Against Adnan Syed. It is scheduled to be released Sunday. Reporting live downtown outside Circuit Court, Paul Gessler.